Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all my dear students. Welcome back to mathematics class. Students, in the previous video, we prepared the pictograph. Today, we are going to interpret the bar graph and represent the given data on the bar graph. So, let us interpret the bar graph and represent the information on the bar graph. Question number 1. The bar graph given alongside shows the amount of wheat purchased by government during the year 1998 to 2002. Read the bar graph and write down your observations. In which year was? Question A. The wheat production maximum. Students, in order to answer the given questions, you have to observe the bar graph. Students, look at the bar graph. The bar of 2002 is the tallest. So, in the year 2002, the wheat production was maximum. Now, question B. The wheat production minimum. By observing the bar graph, it is clear that bar of 1998 is the shortest. Therefore, in the year 1998, the wheat production was minimum. Question number 2. Observe this bar graph which is showing the sale of shirts in a ready-made shop from Monday to Saturday. Now, answer the following questions. Students, you will get the answers of the given questions by observing the bar graph. Question A. What information does the above bar graph give? This bar graph shows the sale of shirts in a ready-made shop from Monday to Saturday. Question B. What is the scale chosen on the horizontal line representing number of shirts? The scale chosen is 1 unit length is equal to 5 shirts. Question C. On which day were the maximum number of shirts sold? How many shirts were sold on that day? The bar of Saturday is the tallest. So on Saturday, the maximum number of shirts were sold. 60 shirts were sold on that day as the height of the bar on Saturday touches the 60 mark. Now, let us solve question D. On which day were the minimum number of shirts sold? By looking at the bar graph, it is clear to us that on Tuesday, minimum number of shirts sold. Now, let us solve question E. How many shirts were sold on Thursday? As the height of the bar on Thursday touches the mark 35. So, on Thursday, 35 shirts were sold. Number 1. A survey of 120 students was done to find which activity they prefer to do in their free time. Draw a bar graph to illustrate the above data taking scale of 1 unit length equals to 5 students. Students, In this question, you have to draw a bar graph. So let's draw the bar graph by following the necessary steps. Solution 1. Students, in the first step, you have to draw a horizontal line. Then, you have to draw a vertical line. Students, you have been given a scale, so you have to write the given scale on the right side corner of the graph where 1 unit length equals to 5 students. Then you have to mark 0 where two lines, horizontal and vertical lines, meet each other. Then you have to mark 9 points on the vertical line at equal distance. The points are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 and 45. Since 1 unit length equals to 5 students, also you have to write number of students along the vertical line. Then you have to write the activities along the horizontal line like playing, reading, watching TV, listening to music and painting. Now on the horizontal line you have to draw the vertical bars of equal width for each item. So let's draw the bars. Playing. 45 students preferred playing, so you have to draw vertical bar touching the mark 45. Now reading. 30 students preferred reading, so you have to draw vertical bar touching the mark 30. Watching television. 20 students preferred watching TV, so you have to draw a vertical bar touching the mark 20. Listening to music. 10 students prefer listening to music, so you have to draw a bar touching the mark 10. Painting. 15 students preferred painting, so you have to draw the bar touching the mark 15. Students, you can also draw the bar by calculating the height of the bar. Calculating the height of the bar is very simple. You have to simply divide the given numbers by 5. So dividing 45 by 5, you would get 9 units. Likewise, dividing 30 by 5, you would get 6 units. Dividing 20 by 5, you would get 4 units. Dividing 10 by 5, you would get 2 units. And dividing 15 by 5, you would get 3 units. Now, question number 2. The number of mathematics books sold by shopkeeper on 6 consecutive days is shown below. Draw a bar graph to represent the above information, choosing the scale of your choice. Students, in this question also, you have to draw a bar graph. But like previous sum, scale is not given to you. So, you have to choose the right scale. For choosing the right scale, you have to observe the numbers. Students, look at the table. The numbers are between 20 and 70. It is rather difficult to mark 70 points on the vertical line. You now have to decide an appropriate scale. You can take 1 unit length equals to 10 books. You have to mark 7 points on the vertical line. Dividing 70 by 10, you would get 7. The points are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70. Each unit representing 10 books. After the scale has been determined, bar graph can be easily drawn. So, now let's draw the bar graph and solve question number 2. Now, solution 2. Students, draw the horizontal line, that is x-axis. Then, draw the vertical line, that is y-axis. Now, write the determined scale on the right side corner of the graph where 1 unit length equals to 10 books. Then, mark 0 where 2 lines intersect at each other. Then, mark the 7 points on the vertical line at equal distance. The points are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70. Also, write the number of books sold along the vertical line. Then, write down the days along the horizontal line like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. Also write down the days along the horizontal lines. Now, on the horizontal line, draw the vertical bars of equal width for each item. Draw the bar for Sunday, touching the mark 65. Then, draw the bar for Monday, touching the mark 40. Then, draw the bar for Tuesday, touching the mark 30. Then, for Wednesday, touching the mark 50. Then, for Thursday, touching the mark 20. And then for Friday, touching the mark 70. You can also draw the bars by calculating the height of the bar. Simply divide the given numbers by 10. So dividing 65 by 10, you would get 6.5 units. Likewise, dividing 40 by 10, you would get 4 units. Students, solve question number 3 of exercise 9.3 and question number 3 and 4 of exercise 9.4 by yourself. Thank you and have a wonderful day.